You can earn as high as 600 naira per job. So if you can do two of these jobs right now, you can have 1,000 naira for yourself. And these two tasks won't take you more than 20 to 10 minutes to complete. So there's no cap for your earning. So if you're looking for a way to earn an extra income online, you will want to watch this video to the very end, because I'm about to share with you a platform of which you can earn at least 1,000 naira per hour performing simple social media tasks you do every day. Now, in my previous video, I shared with you a platform that you can earn same 1,000 naira per day, but people have issues verifying the social media account with other issues. So I went on a research and I looked for a more robust way of how you can earn this amount of money performing even less work. This platform even pay better than the previous platform. So I'll just jump into my screen right now, showing you how you can get started with this platform using your mobile phone. Alright guys, now we are in the page right now. So before we continue, for my returning subscribers, I want to appreciate you for sticking around, coming back to this channel. Okay, so if you are new here, I want you to hit the subscribe button right now and turn on post notifications so YouTube can notify you anytime I drop awesome videos like this to help you make money online. So this channel is about business, influence and impact. I create videos on how you can create passive income for yourself that you can make more money online. Okay, so my name is Noma Evans and this is what we do in this channel. So now we are down here in the website or the platform. Now as you can see, 208,000 tasks completed, small gigs, big results. So a crowdfunding platform for individuals and businesses. Now Naira Workers is a freelancer outsourcing and crowdfunding platform. We connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. Okay, through our marketplace, as you can see, business owners ask people to help you sign up a website, promote your content, install mobile apps, subscribe to YouTube channels, and freelancers work when you want, okay, where you want, take a survey, write an honest review, test an app, and follow social media instructions. Okay, for people like you and I looking for your remote jobs or looking for your freelancer work, I believe freelancer is the best part for us. So you can also make money as a business owner by promoting your business down here, or being an influencer promoting other business through this platform. Now we are going to just go over and create and click on freelancer. Okay, all right guys, so you want to get registered by filling in the required details. So now check the link in the description or the link in the comment section. I'm going to pin it down there. So they click on the link, it's going to bring you down to this website of where you can get registered. Now first of all, you just put in your first, second name and your username, then select your gender, a valid Gmail address, then referral is optional, then password, then you are good to go. I'm going to do that right now so that I can get started. So once you are filling your details, you want to click on sign up. Now please note, creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited. One account per person. So you want to create one account per person. Creating more than one account is not allowed in this platform. So just click on sign up. Once you are filling your details, your first name, second name, a username that is very prompting, the username, then you click on sign up. So our account is created. Now the next thing to do is to activate our account. Okay, so an activation code has been sent to our Gmail address right now. So I'm going to go over to my Gmail and copy the activation code to activate my account. So just head over to your Gmail and copy the code and paste it down here and activate account. So our account is activated successfully. So our account is already activated. Now the next thing is to go to dashboard. Now this is our dashboard. As you can see, this is how your dashboard will look like once you have signed up with this very platform. Now welcome Noma Evans. Hire many random workers. Do you need 500 likes or 300 followers? So these are for business owners or maybe those who want to hire workers. Okay, perform simple tasks, small tasks. These are why we are here. We are here to perform simple tasks and get paid daily. So just go over to the dashboard. Now we are already in the dashboard. Now this is our balance. As you can see, 0 naira, as we have not completed any single job. Pending balance 0, pending balance. Pending balance are the work or the task you have completed of which has not been paid to your balance. Okay, then this is the pending task and job posted, which is the other place, and your referral is zero. So this is how you can earn. You can earn as a freelancer, and you can also earn by posting jobs, and you can also earn by referring people and earning passive income concurrently. Now you are going to come down here. You are going to check. You are going to click on the hamburger. These three dots down here. You are going to go to the profile. First of all, we are going to activate and update our account. So once we are here, we are going to try to update our account. As you can see, I joined 3 minutes ago. So what I'm going to do right now is to update my account by filling in my required information. So as you can see, they are requesting me to enter my date of birth, my mobile number, my bank account details. So enter your local bank account details right here, of which you'll be getting paid directly to your local bank account. Alright, I just updated my account by filling in those information. As you can see, profile update successfully. Now I'm going to head over and come over to available task. Okay, that's our next option. Before then, you can go over to check your wallet. So let's go over to check our wallet. So your wallet is your where you'll be getting paid, and you can easily deposit funds in your wallet. If you're a business owner, influencer, you want to give out job, you can easily deposit funds down here. Just click on deposit funds, then you'll be given the bank and card details to deposit your funds, and it's going to be confirmed. Fund your wallet, post jobs on Naira workers. Minimum is 300 Naira. So if you want to post jobs, you want to hire freelancer, you can easily deposit down here, and you can easily use this money to hire freelancer to work for you. Okay, work funds is 0 Naira. Okay, task earning is 0 Naira. Total fund is 0 Naira. So we can withdraw any money. Okay, so you can transfer your earnings to your work funds. That means if you want to, if you can, at least you can. In this way, you can work as a freelancer. Maybe after earning like 1,500, you can use this money to also use. You can also use this money to hire freelancer to work for you. Okay, this way is a two-way in. Okay, so you can work as a freelancer, use your earnings to hire workers to work for you. So it's just a both way earning, guys. Okay, transfer, referral bonus. This is a referral bonus. So this is your wallet balance. So let's come over down to our account. As you can see, my jobs, tasks completed, your messages, your referrals. You can check it down here. So once you come to my jobs, you are going to jam start a small job, hire many random workers, of which you can easily go and post jobs down here. So you have no jobs active right now, so you just come over, task completed. Now as a freelancer, this is your dashboard, of which if you have any task completed, you're going to see the status down here. So if you have any task completed, you're going to see it down here. So just come over again and come to my account messages. This is where they are going to be messaging you if you have any important message or any important update they want you to know about. Now come to referrals. Okay, come to reports. So report, you have not reported any job as an employer. So let's come over to our referrals. So as you can see, referrals, do you want to get paid a percentage from every deposit made from each task performed in your network, post or referral links or blogs and website and so on. So this is it. So what you have to do is just to come to available jobs so that you can know jobs available for you. So please note, if you want to register, use the link in the description or in the comment section to get started so that you will have 500 Naira bonus. As you can see down here, I just have so as you can see down here, I have congratulations, you have successfully activated your account and 500 Naira registration bonus has been added to your account. So if you want to get this 500 Naira bonus, you want to use the link in the description or in the comment section. I'll pin it down there to get started with Naira workers so that you can have your 500 Naira bonus, so that you can have 500 Naira bonus in your account. Now we are already in the available jobs, as you can see. So first of all, we have the most recent and we have the highest paid. Okay, the most recent jobs are the recent jobs they just posted on the platform, and the highest paid are the jobs that has the highest paid. Okay, or maybe the jobs posted on the platform that has a good rate. All right, as you can see, you can earn as 14 Naira per YouTube subscribers. So if you can do like 20. So if you can do like 50 of these jobs, you have at least 800 naira for yourself. Okay, as you can see, the completed task here is 298 people, 298 of which they need at least 455 people to complete the task. So if you can do at least 50 of these tasks per day, you will have at least close to 1000 naira for yourself, and you can do this task within 5 seconds or even 10 seconds. Okay, so this is join Instagram Telegram channel, and this is what bet father 45 naira per task. Okay, 45 naira per task. You just need 20 tasks to have 1000 naira for yourself in 1 hour. So what we're going to do right now, we are going to go for the highest paid. These are the most recent. Now we're going to go for the highest paid and see what we have. Okay, as you can see, the highest paid down here is you can earn as high as 600 naira per job. Okay, Fair Money app download with free 1000 naira 500 naira credited to your account for tasks completed. So 500 naira per jobs, or this is 600 naira per jobs. Now you just need 2 of these jobs to get 1000 naira in a day. So if you can complete 2 of these jobs, you can have 1200 naira in your account. Okay, now this is legit credit. Withdraw instant 1000 naira from the app and you have 400 naira. This is a task you can earn 400 naira per job. You need 2 or 3 of these jobs to have 1000 per day. So if you can do 2 of this job right now, you can have 1000 naira for yourself. And these 2 tasks won't take you more than 20-30 minutes to complete. It won't take you more than 20 to 10 minutes to complete. So if you can finish these 2 jobs, you have 1000 naira for yourself. So there's no cap for your earning. You can even earn as high as 2000 naira per day or even 3000 naira if you are committed with this platform. Okay, these are just 2 jobs that offered 1000 naira in just completely simple tasks. Now PalmPay banking app, you can earn as high as 297 naira per task. As you can see, these are high paying gig, guys. These are high paying gig. So this is a platform that even pay more higher than the former platform I discovered for you guys. Okay, so I did a research and I found this platform, and this platform pay way more higher and way more better than the former platform. Okay, so this one you can even earn even as high as 1000, 2000, 3000 in 1 hour. So there's no even cap to your earnings. It's just less for you to perform and earn as high as you want. So guys, as you can see, this is how you can get started with this platform right now. You can earn as high as 1000 to even 3000 per hour. Okay, if you are serious about it. Now I'm going to be ending this video right now. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily perform tasks in this platform. Step-by-step video on how you can easily perform tasks in this platform. The video will be linked anywhere around this screen right now, or you can just check for it, okay, in the description, or you can check for it in the card above this video, or you can easily check for it in my channel. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can perform tasks step by step on how you can easily perform this task in this platform. Okay, to get started with this platform right now, check the link in the description or in the comment section to get started to get your 500 naira bonus ready. So click on the link and have your 500 naira bonus. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I believe you got value from this content. If you do got value, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification so that YouTube will notify you anytime I drop awesome valuable content like this that will help you make more money online. So if you have any challenges, any issues in getting started, or any question you have for me, you can drop in the comment section. I will read every comment. So again, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.